and SOAP, AppleScript lets you create a workflow to automatically get that data and place it in your documents and in the work you're doing. And we've included dozens of pre-installed scripts to make this really easy for you. And we're going to show you all of that, but in addition, we're going to show you one thing that's coming available by the end of the year. So this is something that no one else has seen yet, and it's something we're extremely excited about. We call it AppleScript Studio. This is the answer to a lot of our AppleScript customers' dreams. They've asked us for years to take AppleScript and make it a professional development environment for them, to allow them to have professional tools for writing and debugging their AppleScripts. They've also asked us to make it easy to create AppleScripts that look like programs, that have actual user interfaces on them, though they're simple language scripts. And that's what we call AppleScript Studio. We're integrating the AppleScript programming environment into Apple's powerful development tools, things you know from WebObjects and Cocoa development, called Project Builder and Interface Builder, and they work seamlessly together. So with that, I'd like to bring up Sal Segoyan, our AppleScript guru, to take you through some of the great things in macOS 10.
Thank you, Phil.
Thanks, Sal.
Hello, Seybold. We're really excited about AppleScript on macOS 10.1. I really mean that. We're excited about the integration in macOS 10.1. We're excited about the new features and the new directions. So to begin with, let me give you a simple example of how well integrated AppleScript is by doing some things in the Finder and with a couple applications on macOS 10. I'm going to open up a folder that contains some images taken by Pete Johnson from our web team of the recent San Jose Shark exhibit. And I'd like to be able to view these images and manipulate them, possibly scale them and rotate them. And to do that, I'm going to use some scripts I've downloaded from the AppleScript website that are called toolbar scripts. They're going to take advantage of one of the new features in macOS 10, which is the toolbar. You can customize this by dragging applications and file icons and script icons to the toolbar. So I'll take a couple of these and just drag them up into this window, and as I drag them up there, you can see that indeed they are available in every window that I open on the desktop. I'll close those, and the first script that I will click is called Browse. When I do that, the script will use the default browser on your computer, which is, in this case, is Internet Explorer, and open up a listing of all the images that I can then peruse and move through here. And you can see that these images are rather large, so the first task I need to do is to scale these images. To do that, I'll use another toolbar script, appropriately named Scale. I'll click the script. It will present me with a simple dialog asking what percentage I'd like these images scaled. I'll choose the default of 50%. And then using the Quartz engine built into macOS 10 and AppleScript, it will scale the images right in the folder, right on your desktop. Thank you. So let's browse those again and see if it did it. And here they are. And yes, there they are. You can see that the images were indeed scaled. And this particular image needs to be rotated. Now, I could use one of the toolbar scripts, go back and rotate a couple images